Hello everyone, I'm Kushi Verma and I'm from Team AI Young Legends. So this project was led by Shrutika Swaraj, our tech lead, and we were the team of 5 peoples. So the problem which we had in this hackathon was the generating B2B leads, the business to business leads. So it's like it will be a problem that finding a potential lead clients for your businesses. So that consumes a lot of time. So that problem we have resolved by introducing our this new AI powered tool. What this will do is like this will simply filter out filter out the potential leads based on the factors like the industry, the funding, and the company size. So for this, we are using Crunchbase. So we are following all the rules and all with the limited access and and the ethical data scrapping. So here I'll explain how it works. So we will be collecting the data from the company details from the Crunchbase, and we will be having the little bit of import export things, and we will filter those data based on the industry and funding like that. Some sort of sorting is there, and then we will be having our best potential leads. So a person will should not have to waste that much time to search endlessly for the clients according to their requirements, and that will have the right connections for their businesses. And after that they can engage with their leads by sending them out the personalized emails, and there we will be having a reminder as well if we want to send them out an email after some time. So it's perfect like business matchmaking. So here we are having this perfect building strong B2B relationships AI powered tool, and where this solution will boost the lead quality and increase the conversions with the client and the connections with the potential ones. So here the technologies which we have used by while building this B2B generator app is first one is the Next.js for having the super fast and scalable front end. And then we have used this ChatGPT API so to generate that tailored emails based on the LinkedIn post. And after that, we have this Shadzen UI components for creating a good UI and reusable interface component segments. And in the end, Vercel for the seamless deployment and hosting. So here is the flowchart for the project which we have built it. So here we are collecting that data from the Crunchbase, all the company details, and after that we will be providing the data to the client with that LinkedIn post which we have, for that we have used PyLetter to access those comments and all those stuff, and that data will be analyzed by the OpenAI, and after that that will generate the potential leads for us, and and that will be having some emails which will be personalized emails will be there. So that will be generated, and in the future scope we are having this LinkedIn lead API.
Hi, I'm Nishant, and this is Lead Magnetify, a business to business lead generation application. Here, we will be able to search for a list of companies which satisfy the given three parameters. First, we have the target industry, and then we have the size of the company, and then we have the region. And upon clicking search, we will be able to see a list of company that satisfy the above chosen parameters, along with the information like the total funding they've received and the last funding date. We also have a brief description about the company, and we also have provided a link to their official website for any kind of reference. We have engagement tools. Here we will be able to see a list of clients with whom we can initiate an engagement. On clicking generate email, we will be fetching the comments and the posts made by the client on LinkedIn and providing this data to an AI model to generate a personalized email. In the future scope, we are planning to fetch the detail from other platforms as well. Here we can see the email generated by the AI model. And in the future scope, when we click on the send email button, we will be able to send an email to the client directly. We also have a list of emails of the employees working at the client company, And upon clicking engage, we can select a template from the available options in order to send an email with minor details to be edited. This is lead profiles. Here we will be able to see a list of employees who act as point of contact with the client, along with their contact information like email and phone number. On clicking view details, we will be able to see additional details like their position at the company and as well as the services they're looking for.
And so this is like the ultimate in end-to-end solution for having the lead quality, and which will increase the conversions as well. So here you can have you can see that solution in this Versal app, provided the link, which is very efficient and effective. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.